This video is going to go over and preview our World Geography unit. So in this unit, we are going to look at both physical and human geography. We are going to develop an understanding of the physical world, human world, and connections between the two. We will look at aspects of physical geography and human geography in order to begin understanding connections and relationships between the two. How does where someone lives affect how they live? We'll start to find out. The skill that we are working on is a geography skill. We are going to be working on how to use maps, satellite images, or photographs to explain relationships between the locations of places and regions and their political, cultural, environmental, or economic dynamics. So we're going to use some sort of visual representation to explain something about a place. This is our rubric for that standard right here. If you've got this skill in green is what you can do. I can use maps, satellite images, photographs, or other representations to explain relationships between a place and its political, cultures, politics, cultures, physical environments, or economics. So being able to use a map or a visual representation of some sort to explain the relationship between one of those elements of geography and a place. Our learning targets are here, so it's this thing broken down. I can use a visual representation to explain a relationship within a place. So how to use visual representations. I can use maps, satellite images, or photographs to explain the relationships of a place and its politics. That same sentence with cultures. Again, same sentence with environments, and then same sentence with economics. So using visuals to help explain the relationship between one of those elements of geography and a place. Learning activities that we will do. We have an introduction to, this should be world geography, introduction to world geography. And then we have we have 5 choice boards, so visual representations choice board, physical environment, cultures, politics, and economics choice boards. And then our summative, which is a world tour. We're going to be taking some time in class to brainstorm how you might want to show that you can do this. So we'll do some brainstorming before we decide kind of what you're actually going to do in order to show that you can indeed use those maps, satellite images, photographs, or other representations to explain the relationship of an element of geography and a place. So that is what this unit is all about.